Hi everyone and welcome to Tina Abroad. Hello vlog. Branches. Before we moved out of the Lake District, we had a final visit to Lake Grasmere. So join us for a walk on this beautiful early spring day.
Run!
Just don't trip! Thank you.
Headshot.
One for you, one for me. If she falls, I want to be ready.
Not the dog. Thanks to someone. Go there.
No, she's telling her to come here.
Not a dog. I'm just waiting when someone will jump on you. Like a dog. Kurwa! Come on, look. What's the fight?
Right.
Chris, grab him!
You can't grab him, he'll fly away.
Why would I grab?
He has green crap in his mouth, stuck in his mouth.
Fishing net.
I don't know if it's a fishing net or if it's just seaweed shit. It fell off.
It did it.
It did. It was just seaweed, but
Grab him. I'm not grabbing.
grab him, jump! You saw too many videos, Sanda.
Fun.
Wait. You're mean. He's fighting with everyone.
Oi!
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 It's a bully.
Don't forget to give a like to this video if you enjoy watching it. Leave a comment down below, let us know have you ever been to Grasmere before or to the Lake District. And subscribe to this channel if you'd like to watch more videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!